Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to bulk upload images to Shopify, save hours. When managing an online store, one of the most time-consuming tasks can be uploading images for all your products. If you've ever manually uploaded each image one by one, you know how tedious it can be. But what if I told you there's a faster and more efficient way to handle this? Today, we're exploring how to bulk upload images to Shopify without needing to rely on the traditional CSV import feature. This method will save you precious time and streamline your workflow significantly. To get started, you'll first want to log into your Shopify store. Once you're on the home page, look for the search icon, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Give it a click, and then type apps into the search bar. This will take you directly to the app section of your Shopify store, a place where you can find and add various functionalities to enhance your store's capabilities. While in the app section, type bulk upload into the search bar. You should see a list of potential tools, but the one we're interested in today is called CS Smart Bulk Image Upload. Go ahead and click on it. This app is specifically designed to help you upload images in bulk, effectively bypassing the tedious limitations of manual uploads. The next step is to install the app onto your store. Click on Install and follow any prompts that appear to complete the installation process. You might be required to grant certain permissions during this step, but don't worry, this is a standard procedure when you add new apps to Shopify. Once the installation is complete, head back to the app section from your store's dashboard. Here, you will find CS Smart Bulk Image Upload listed among your apps. Click on Create New Upload to begin the main process. Now, it's time to connect your Google account to the app. By clicking the Connect button, you will be prompted to choose the Google account from which you want to import images. Select your desired account and click Continue. You might encounter a consent form during this process. It's crucial to tick the box that grants the app access to your images stored in Google Drive. This step authorizes the app to access and manage your images, so make sure you give it the necessary permissions. Once you have authorized the app, return to the app interface and locate the folder name section. Here, you'll select the specific folder containing all the images you wish to upload. Make sure to choose a matching type that aligns with how you want the images to correspond to your products. This could be by product name, SKU, or any other unique identifier that suits your needs. Before you initiate the upload, the app will ask if it can replace any existing images. If you're adding new images and want to keep your current product pictures, be sure to select the option that says Don't replace existing images. This ensures that your current product imagery remains intact while you enrich your product listings with additional visuals. Finally, click on Start Matching. This will kick off the process of uploading your images in bulk. Depending on the number of images you're working with, the process might take a little while. However, once complete, Shopify will automatically match and add your uploaded images to the respective products, making your job a whole lot easier. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to bulk upload images to Shopify without the hassle of complicated CSV imports. We hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your store management. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to bulk upload images to Shopify, save hours. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.